GreenEdge is an international training network whose mission is to provide a PhD to 15 early-stage researchers by training them on topics related to energy efficiency, renewable systems, and edge computing and mobile networking.
What I love about this project is that despite the fact that they are trying to optimize network resources and improve the performance of the network, they also try to reduce the impact of communication networks on the climate change and the climate crisis that we are facing these years. And I actually care about it a lot, and I love that this project is doing it, and I'm very into it. I'm so happy to be a part of this project because it's two of my most important interests and those things that I really care about it.
I'm developing my career with the most important scientists here that are working, and also I'm being part of this project. And it's so important for me that I am also doing something for the environment, because I am joining GreenEdge to help the environment, also to help the world.
GreenEdge project has two kind of complementary parts. So in one, the goal is to use modern machine learning, artificial intelligence techniques to design future communication networks in a more energy efficient and sustainable manner. And on the other side, we are also increasingly using our wireless communication infrastructure not only for communications but also for intelligence.
I also very much like the very international environment I have here at the university, but also part of the GreenEdge program, because people from all over the world are joining and coming now to Europe.
We know that machine learning and artificial intelligence is one of the key elements and enabler for a smart society, but at the same time it also has a cost, like the energy consuming. So we are taking care of this energy consumption. We are trying to make green by design algorithms and networks infrastructure so that we are able to enhance our quality life through artificial intelligence, machine learning and networking, but also taking into account that we don't want to warp too much our environment and limit the climate change.
Our society generates a huge amount of data. All this data is processed by the network, and especially by the mobile network. Those computing facilities will be draining a lot of energy, and this is unsustainable for the environment. So what GreenEdge would like to do, and which is GreenEdge's mission, is to tame the environmental impact of future edge computing networks.
I hope to gain as much knowledge as possible from this opportunity, because I'm surrounded by a lot of experienced people, and so with all that knowledge that I will learn, I hope to be more prepared for the next challenges that will come in the next years.
I'm very happy to be part of this GreenEdge project, where we want to push the limits of green and sustainable communication systems, which in my opinion is these days more than just energy efficient systems, but systems that can on the one hand reduce the footprint of the cost of electronics on society, but maybe we can also make systems that help us to save energy in other domains as well.
Exchanging messages, exchanging videos, listening music from our mobile phones has an impact in our world from climate perspective and also from energy perspective. So we need to tame this impact, and I hope that in this project we will find very efficient solution to this problem.
I like this project a lot because it's actually about making machine learning and artificial intelligence algorithms more energy efficient and more sustainable in order to reach carbon neutrality and actually stop global warming.